Hey guys, there's some firefighters because they were doing some fireworks, and then like all of a sudden they just like put a fire, an accident, and now there's a fire. Guys, I know this is scary, but I don't know. And Sophia, you could see this too in case, okay? Now, go. Like, bro, there's a fire. There's a fire over there, all the way to the house, all the way over there. And look, there's so many firefighters. Another one right there. Okay. Look. Oh my gosh, there's a fire over there. Come. That's scary. Okay, guys, I think I'll stop at 2. Okay, almost done. Oh my God, do you see this? Look, mommy, I was running so fast to do a video, mom. Look, bro, look, I'm coming. Look at those are the polices. Those were the polices. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you see these polices. It's because I just wanted to show because that's so scary. Oh my God, it's flashing red. Oh, is everybody okay? Is everybody okay? I'm telling you. Because there's so... Why the heck did you do it? And then sorry, that's my... there were so many fireworks, you guys. Guys. Look. Oh my God. Mommy, did a fire happen?
Yeah.
Guys, investigations. Sorry that I'm recording you polices. I just want them to tell the truth. This is not AI, guys. Believe me. No AI. No AI. No AI. This is for real. I'm scared. Okay, guys, I'm a little calm. Can you make... Guys, please make me calm. I'm gonna cry. Can you make me calm? Can you subscribe to me? Like this button so I could not be scared. Oh my God, guys! I think I'm gonna stop at 4 in the thingy. Oh my gosh, I'm almost done, mommy. Guys, I'm too scared. I'm sorry. There's so many. Look, all the way over there. You see those persons? All the way over there, right there. That's where the fire's happen. Fire's happening over there. Over there. Mommy, is it over there where the people are? Where those people are? Oh. I'm so sorry, guys. This has to happen. This is the fireworks. I'm sorry. Mommy, this is the last time we're gonna go over here. Guys, look. We have to go. Ow. No time. And I can't cry. What is that? Another one. Okay. Mommy, did someone get hurt?
No.
Oh my God, guys, are those so scary? Can you like and subscribe so I don't get scared? Guys, I'm doing the flamingo dance. Can you like and subscribe and share to your friends so they could get scared? And like and subscribe so I don't get scared. Okay, guys, I'm just a girl. I'm not okay. I'm sorry. This has to happen. And I know this is going so creepy. All the people. Oh my God. Look, there's firefighters. Oh my God. Bruh, my garage is flashing. Oh my god, gummies. Din. Everybody, bye, okay? Okay, I'm gonna do almost done, okay? Sissy's crying. I think I could barely breathe. I'm so scared. Mom, did the fireworks go wrong? Did the fireworks today go wrong? Did it go wrong today? Nah, firefighter. I'm sorry, firefighter. I'm too scared. Ding. Mommy, I'm gonna go try it one more time, okay? I'm gonna go over there, okay? Kabagabang. So scared. Bye.